Ever felt that familiar pang of frustration when you need to send money to someone, but their bank isn't your bank? You've got your funds safe and sound in your Roger bank account, but how do you bridge the gap to an external account without a complicated song and dance? It's a common scenario in our interconnected world, where financial needs often extend beyond the walls of a single institution. Whether it's paying a freelancer, sending money to family, investing in an external platform, or simply moving funds between your own accounts at different banks, the ability to transfer money seamlessly and securely is a cornerstone of modern financial management. For many, the thought of initiating an external bank transfer conjures images of archaic forms, cryptic routing numbers, and a general sense of unease. Will the money arrive on time? Are there hidden fees lurking in the shadows? Is my personal information truly safe? These are valid concerns, and they speak to the need for clear, concise, and trustworthy guidance. You want to move your money, not lose sleep over it. This isn't just about moving numbers from one digital ledger to another, it's about empowering you to manage your finances with confidence and control. It's about ensuring that your hard-earned money can flow freely and efficiently to wherever it needs to go, when it needs to get there. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to demystify the process of sending money from your Roger bank account to external accounts. We'll break down every step, from adding a new recipient to understanding transfer limits and fees, and even troubleshooting common issues. By the end of this video, you'll be able to initiate external transfers from Roger Bank like a seasoned pro, armed with the knowledge to make smart, secure, and stress-free transactions. So, let's dive in and unlock the full potential of your Roger bank account for external transfers. Understanding external transfers, the basics. Before we jump into the how-to, let's establish a foundational understanding of what external transfers entail. Simply put, an external transfer is the electronic movement of funds from your Roger bank account to an account held at another financial institution. This can be another bank, a credit union, or even a different type of financial service provider. These transfers typically leverage the Automated Clearinghouse, or ACH, network, which is a highly reliable and widely used system for electronic payments in many countries. While faster options like wire transfers exist, ACH transfers are generally preferred for their lower cost and widespread accessibility for routine transactions. It's important to differentiate between external transfers and other ways you might move money. For instance, sending money via a peer-to-peer payment app like Venmo or Zelle often involves an intermediary, even if the funds eventually land in a bank account. Similarly, writing a physical check is a completely different mechanism. External transfers, in the context of online banking, are direct bank-to-bank movements of funds. Knowing this distinction helps you choose the right method for your specific needs. For regular, non-urgent transfers to external accounts, Roger Bank's external transfer functionality, powered by the ACH network, is often your best bet. Step-by-step guide, sending money to external accounts from Roger Bank. Alright, let's get down to the practical steps. The process of sending money from your Roger bank account to an external account is designed to be user-friendly, typically conducted through their online banking portal or mobile app. While the exact interface might have minor variations based on updates, the core steps remain consistent. Step 1. Log into your Roger bank account. The first and most crucial step is to securely log into your Roger Bank online banking portal or mobile application. Always ensure you are on the official Roger Bank website or using the authentic mobile app to prevent phishing attempts or fraudulent activities. Use your unique username and password, and be prepared to complete any two-factor authentication, 2FA, prompts if you have them enabled, which you absolutely should for enhanced security. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once logged in, look for the transfers or move money section within the main navigation menu. This is usually a prominent option, as transferring funds is a core banking function. In some interfaces, it might be under a broader category like payments or banking. Click on this section to proceed. Step 3. Initiating an external transfer. Within the transfers section, you'll likely see various options like internal transfers, bill pay, and external transfers or transfer to another bank. Select the option that specifically refers to external transfers or transfers to another financial institution. Step 4. Adding a new external account, if not already added. This is a critical step if you haven't sent money to this particular external account before. Roger Bank, like most financial institutions, requires you to add and verify external accounts for security purposes. Find the Add New Account option, look for a button or link that says Add New Account, Link External Account, or something similar. Enter account details. You will typically need the following information for the external account. Account holder name, the full legal name of the person or entity who owns the external account. Ensure this matches exactly with the bank's records. Account type, is it a checking account or a savings account? Select the correct type from the drop-down menu. Routing number, this is a 9-digit code that identifies the financial institution. You can usually find this on a check, in the external bank's online banking portal, or by contacting their customer service. Double-check this number carefully, as an incorrect routing number can lead to delayed or misdirected transfers. Account number, the specific account number of the recipient's account at their bank. Again, accuracy is paramount here. Verification process, Roger Bank will then initiate a verification process for the new external account. This commonly involves one of two methods. Instant verification. Some banks support instant verification, where you might be prompted to log into the external bank's online portal directly from Roger Bank's interface. This securely confirms account ownership in real time. Trial deposits. More commonly, Roger Bank will send 2 small trial deposits, usually a few cents, to the external account. You will then need to log into the external bank account, note the exact amounts of these deposits, and then return to Roger Bank's platform to enter those amounts to confirm ownership. This process can take 1 to 2 business days for the deposits to appear. Once you enter the correct amounts, the account will be activated for transfers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.